A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to today's first session on MIS. We'll wait for some time, let others join, right? And before I start, one more very important instruction is regarding the login, right? Every time whenever I post a message, like today I posted a message that you have to join by 10:10 sharp, but try to log in 5 minutes earlier. Whatever time I mentioned, you can just try to log in 5 minutes earlier so that we can start immediately at 10:10. That is the time I have given for today, right? All of you are able to hear me? Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is not able to hear me? Anybody is there? So first instruction have you followed? Every time whenever we have a session, try to log 5 minutes earlier. The reason is very simple, because I can admit all of you at a one go. Otherwise, see what I have to do, every time I have to click over here, right? I have to click and admit each of you if you join by the time I have given. Today I have given 10:10. So it is expected that at least 5 minutes earlier you be waited, you be on this thing waiting, right? In the waiting room you can stay there, and once I log, in fact I do log 5 to 10 minutes earlier every time, so I can admit all of you at a one go. That is one of the reason. So all of you follow the first instruction. पहली इंस्ट्रक्शन ध्यान में आ गया आप लोगों के?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes.
good.
Yes, sir.
Good, Prachi. Good. Hey, I hope all of you are following me. Right? So that is one. Secondly, today we'll have a small session of our introduction. Right? Let others join. और मैं 2 मिनट रुकूंगा. What I want from you, those who have joined, what I want is you have to unmute yourself, right? And see, whenever our session is going on, you can keep yourself unmuted, provided you don't have disturbances across. या तो फिर जहाँ आपको पूछना है, you have doubts, you have queries, you can always unmute yourself. Now today what I want, see this is attendance, whatever you have logged in, you have to stay till the end. Again second instruction, कि लॉक कर लिया और ठीक है मेरा अटेंडेंस लग जाएगा, I'll put my attendance. That is not honesty. This is what I have told you yesterday. Those who were there offline, I have told you all that. What I want is you to be honest and sincere. That is the 2 things I need. Rest will be taking care, educating you, teaching you, right? How you are supposed to gain knowledge, right? That part you can leave. Particularly talking about this subject, you can leave it to us. So what is needed today, what I want is, our first assignment is, or first exercise, not assignment I would say, is that I want introduction, right? I'll be starting with my introduction, followed by Payal and Nidhi, Samiksha, Sweta, right? Sweta Barbati is there, then Sweta Bujade is there, right? Prerna, the way it is being displayed on our screen, right? This is how I want sequentially. You have to, for that you have to unmute yourself and you have to put your video. And 3 questions I want you to answer. First of all, you'll be always starting like, I am Dr. Mukul Burgatere, right? You will be telling I am, right? I am so and so. I have done my graduation from such and such college in such and such stream. For example, BSc. If you have done it from Shivaji Science College in BSc Computer Science, for example. So you have to mention that. And second, the third question, that the first is your name, that is introduce yourself. See, indirectly it's going to be introduce yourself. You can talk more than this also, like my name is so and so, I have done my graduation from so and so college, and the reason, the third very important question is the reason why I want to pursue MBA, because this question is very frequently asked. Why have you done MBA? Once you complete your MBA, probably you will be asked with this question, why have you done your MBA? What was the reason? What are your short term and long term goals? तो इसकी प्रिपरेशन अभी से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. इंटरव्यू जो होने वाले हैं, मे बी आफ्टर 1.5 years or 2 years, you need to be very good in at least this first question, because this is related to yourself, right? So all of you followed. समझ में आ क्या मुझे क्या चाहिए आप लोगों से? All of you can put your videos. Let me say see your faces because yesterday many of you were there, but still those who are online, because see क्या होता है बाद में फिर आप मिलने आते हो तो पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन कौन है, right? So at least DP में भी आपका चेहरा लगा दीजिए जहाँ तक पॉसिबल है, your nice faces, your beautiful faces, and at the same time all of you can put on your videos also, at least for a minute's time, or specifically when you are going to give your introduction. So shall we start? Who's going to do
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Five. Okay, very good. So you have followed the instruction. You have to unmute, put on your video, and just answer. It's simple. Forget about those 3 questions. You have to introduce yourself. Simple as that. Tell me something about yourself. See, इसको बहुत तरीके से पूछा जाता है. Introduce yourself, right? Tell me something about yourself. Tell me who you are. The question can be molded and remolded in a lot many ways, but the answer more or less remains same. Okay? So we'll start with Payal. Payal, you can go ahead.
My name is Payal Burde. I done my graduation in BCom Computer Application. My college name is Sai Grinpa College of Multai, and I am from MP.
Yes, Payal, thank you. Who is next? Nidhi. See, all of you have to talk. There is no excuse in this. हाँ? नई इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं तो आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. नई हिंदी जमरी होगी तो मराठीत बोला तुम्ही, तेही चालेल मला. या 3 लँग्वेज, all these 3 language you should have command. Since we are staying in Maharashtra and since we are doing MBA, English is must. Since we are Indian, Hindi is must. And since we are staying in Maharashtra, Marathi is must. For that matter, you can learn more languages also. Nobody is going to stop you, right? You can learn foreign language also. This is what I will be talking in the rest of my lectures also. Not only MIS will be discussing other aspect of your career, of your life, right? Who is next? See, just raise your hand and you can talk, so that I can call out your name and you can talk. Who is next? Yes.
Sir,
Shubham, let
My name is
Shubham. Yeah,
Shubham.
Shubham. Yeah, go ahead. Shubham, go ahead. Yes, Shubham.
my name is Shubham. Good morning, first of all. And I am pursuing MBA in DMC, Punjab Rock DMC College. I passed out in hotel management in Tripura College. That is, I am living in Nagpur. It will be fine, sir.
Okay, fine. See, whatever words comes to your mind, sentences, I'm fine. Doesn't matter. See, this is just a start. एक शुरुआत करनी है अपने को कैसे. Even if you go wrong, doesn't matter. Nobody is going to laugh at you. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, Payal. Payal, what?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. Myself, Payal Patel. I am from Gondia. I done my BSc from Nagpur, from Rampet Science College. Currently, I am doing a job in Hotel Ashok, Nagpur.
Hotel Ashok, which is situated at Art Rasta, right? Art Rasta.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
And you're working as what over there? What is
Banquet Sales Executive.
it? Pardon me?
Banquet Sales Executive.
Okay, very good. So nice. Okay, wonderful. Fine. Thank you, Payal. Who is next?
Thank you.
Sakshi. Sakshi is there. Okay. Let us talk to Sakshi.
Sir,
Yes.
my name is. Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you.
No. Abhilasha, let Sakshi talk first. She started first. After that, after Sakshi, Abhilasha will be talking. Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi, yeah.
Sir, my name is Sakshi Ashok Wankhede, and I done my graduation in Jaju College, and I'm from Yavatmal, and I pursuing MBA for gain my confidence and to gain my communication also.
Yeah, to develop my communication skills. Excellent. Good, Sakshi. Nice. Okay, fine. Who is next? Vaibhav. Abhilasha, again you wait. Let Vaibhav start. Abhilasha, you'll be after Vaibhav.
Sir, my name.
Yeah. Yes,
Sir,
Abhi.
sir.
Yes, Vaibhav.
My name is Vaibhav Sanjana Bharate. I am from Sindhi Railway. I am graduated in BSc and my college name is Newark College in Varda.
Okay, and what is the reason for doing MBA? Any specific reason? For job or for doing your own startup? The reason can be anything, right? Just to impress my friends or my parents, right? It can be anything. Yes, what is the reason?
सर कम्युनिकेशन डेवलपमेंट के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे
Okay. See, communication fine. It is very must. I'll be continuously talking on that. But communication तो एक पहलू रहने वाला है, तो आपका improve होगा ही होगा. If you follow my instruction, at least for my subject, I can guarantee that. 1.5 साल में आपका इंग्लिश अच्छा, not only English, you command on language. You should have a excellent command so that other person follows you. It can be English, it can be Hindi, it can be Marathi. Right? Thank you, Vaibhav. Good. Fine. Wonderful. Who's next? Yeah, Abhilasha. Let us. Pragati, you wait. Abhilasha is in line. She is waiting for a line. Yes, Abhilasha. Yes, Abhilasha.
Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, Abhilasha.
Abhilasha, go ahead.
My name is Abhilasha Kamdi. I am from Nagpur. I done my graduation in BE from Priyadarshini Bhagwati College of Engineering, and I done my interior designing in Mumbai, and I am pursuing now to the MBA because of my job.
Job opportunities. Okay. Wonderful, Abhilasha. Right, fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Who is next? Please go ahead. Pragati, yes.
Hello everyone. Good morning, sir. Myself Pragati Vilas Morak from Varda. I completed my BCom from Newark Commerce College. I am doing MBA because after MBA there are lot of job opportunities and all the doors are open for the job. That's why I am pursuing for MBA. Thank you.
Good, Pragati. Okay, fine. Who is next?
Sir, from me. Good morning, sir.
Pragati, you wait. Who is this?
Good morning, sir. My name is Hushin Dhage from Varda.
Okay.
I have completed my graduation in BE from Datta Megi Institute of Engineering, College and Research.
Okay, good, wonderful. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Who's next? Pragati, yeah.
My name is Pragati Vishwanath Meshram. I am from Nagpur. I haven't done my graduation from BSc in Pandav Institute, and I am pursuing graduation because of that developing stage and for job.
Okay, fine. Brunal, you are next. Brunal, go ahead. Yes, Brunal. Good morning. No, you are not audible. Just unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hello sir, good morning. My name is Muna Sagarkar. I have completed my graduate in BSc IT, JH Arizona University.
Yes, see, don't hesitate. Even if you stop now, if you fumble in between, doesn't matter. Don't worry. Okay. You have done your graduation from GH Raisoni, right?
Yes, sir, JH Arizona University.
Okay.
In
And,
BSc IT.
you belong to which place?
Nagpur.
Nagpur. Okay, fine. Thank you, Murad. Who is next?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Simran, put on your video.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Chandra Satish Kathane. I have completed my engineering from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology. Then I have done job in Kali company, which is also related to the stock exchange. Then after 6 months, I feel that by doing the job in the stock market is not related to my field. So then I joined some coding classes of C# and SQL Server. While doing that, I realized that all the coding classes is not
इसमें
my
लेकिन हमको
cup
फायदा
of
कोई
tea.
नहीं हुआ ना
For that
210
reason, I
मिनट
always
से
interested in management or
नहीं
any
बट
type
उसमें
of
लिखा है ना कि 6 महीने के पूरा कंप्लीट होने के बाद इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा ना अपनी जो बात हुई थी
7वें महीने में मिलता है 6 महीने का कंप्लीट हुआ है 7वें महीने का
जब मतलब 1 साल हो गया था ना अपना
नहीं
उसमें पहले पैसे निकाल लेना
7
यस थैंक यू हु इज
पहले
नेक्स्ट
निकलते ही नहीं
Thank you, sir.
पहले निकालते नहीं आता
Hello, sir. Good morning.
हमने स्टॉप कर दिया तो
अभी बेकार पड़े रहे ना क्या उससे मेरे को वसूल करना पड़ेगा. Yes, yes, very much. Go ahead, please.
So my name is Kalyani Sundari and I've completed graduation in BCA from City Premier College, and right now I'm pursuing a job in Cognizant in Hyderabad, which is I'm having digital marketing stream, so that's why I've joined MBA also.
Okay, you're there in Hyderabad, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, so what about the college then? Offline, if it start offline, how you going to manage it?
I also don't know about it actually.
Okay.
I've talked to the teachers in the college, but and see what I manage.
ये नहीं लास्ट 3 महीना नहीं दिए थे.
Okay, fine, thank you. Who is next? अभी चेक कर लो.
Hello, good morning sir.
क्या है कि RDS में कोई 9 महीने में एक ही साथ जमा करेगा तो उसका इंटरेस्ट भी मुश्किल होता है. इसमें फाइन भी लगता है 6,000 ये पेमेंट की है.
पर अपनी पहले बात नहीं हुई थी ना इसलिए.
नहीं, उसमें क्लियर लिखा है वो पासबुक में.
ठीक है, कर तो बात.
ठीक है.
Yes, who is going to be next? मैं कॉल करता हूँ.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello. Yes.
My name is
Yes, Prajwal.
My name is Prajwal Anjikar, and I have done my graduating BBA from Taibade College, and I am pursuing MBA for job and entrepreneurship.
Okay, entrepreneurship. Wonderful, good. So you'd like to do your own business after doing a job, right? That is what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Who is next? See, ऐसी बात करनी है कोई difficult. Yes, Simran. Just a moment. See, it's not very difficult. Somewhere we have to start. एक अपना introduction देते आया तो एक confident build up होगा, right? उसके बाद में you are supposed to answer to few questions which I am going to raise every time. I am talking about the lectures, right? तो इससे धीरे धीरे आपकी vocabulary build up होगी, develop होगी, and automatically you will develop that communication skill which we all are lacking. I am aware. I know that very few of the students, they are already working in corporates, so their English seems to be good, pretty good, I'm say at par, right? But still there is always a scope for improvement. Nobody is perfect in this world, all of we know that. One who becomes perfect becomes God, right? Simple as that. So जो corporates में भी काम कर रहे हो सकता है they are good in English, but they are not good in vernacular language. Like Cognizant, somebody was working in Hyderabad, so working in Andhra or Telangana, you need to know Telugu, right? Telugu is the vernacular or the their language over there. So working there, and if you do not at least understand that language, then it's going to create difficulty for you. Okay, all of you following me what I'm saying? But यहाँ start करनी है. Yes, let us move ahead. Yes, who is next?
Good morning, sir. My name is Simran Vishwakarma, and I have completed my graduation in BSc from Sevadar Mahavidyalaya and live in WC Mumbai. Since I didn't give CET last year, so I was a teacher at Silver Oak International School for 1 year, and I'm pursuing my MBA to work in corporate world so that I can work 2 or 3 years and gain experience and then start my own stuff.
Good, Simran. Excellent. You were a teacher, right, earlier? That's good, right?
Yes, sir.
So things will be a bit easier for you compared to others. Maybe others are also working somewhere, or they have work, or maybe others are planning to work. But it hardly matters. See, all we are on equal platform now, and let us not compete with each other. Let us compete with ourselves. What are the weaknesses, right? What are my strengths? How should I strengthen my strength, and how should I overcome my weaknesses? That should be our motto. कि मेरा कलीग है, मैं उसका इंग्लिश तो बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा नहीं है, तो that should not be a case of worry for any of you, right? उसका confidence level तो बहुत अच्छा है, he is good looking also, right? His dressing sense is excellent. So maybe दुनिया में काफी सारे लोग हैं, many of the people are better, far better than us. It doesn't mean that we are inferior, right? All we have to do is just fight with ourselves in terms of our weaknesses, in terms of our limitations. Okay, fine. Who is next?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prachi. Put on your video. Yes. Good.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Prachi Bonsre. I have come from Kanha. I am completed my graduation BSc in Computer Science in Islam College. and I am pursuing MBA for job and own business.
Okay, good, excellent. Who's next? Divya?
Good morning, sir. Myself Divya Gaikwad. I am from Katol. I have completed in BCom from Nabila Mahavidyalaya Katol. I am doing MBA for job and communication development.
Okay, fine. Yes, Divya, thank you so much. See, communication, as I said, ना कोई class लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. Do not do this, commit this mistake of joining any class for English, at least for English. बाकी इसके लिए तो अपन लगाती ही नहीं है, हिंदी के लिए नहीं लगती है अपने को, because we watch plenty of Hindi movies, right? Similarly, if you are a Maharashtrian, then or even if you are staying in Maharashtra for a longer time, then probably you must be good in Marathi as well, right? Actually जो बोलते हैं ना, एक working language आनी चाहिए, काम चलाओ जो बोलते हैं ना अपन, कि you should be able to communicate, at least know what other is saying, and you should be at the same time able to respond back clearly, right? In proper words. That is what is expected. But when it comes to English, since English or MBA goes hand in hand, because most of the professional organization, their first requirement is English. Forget about your degrees and all those things, what you have done. But if you are not good in communication, and the reason is simple, their culture, because see, most of the professional companies are global in nature, or maybe multinationals you can call it. The distinction, I won't be going into that, but the professional organization, all their correspondence takes place in English, like written emails जो जाते हैं English में जाते हैं, हिंदी या मराठी में शायद ही कोई organization में जाते होंगे जो professional है, right? Secondly, their culture in the office is communicating in English. Possibly, maybe may not be there communicating with your subordinates, नीचे के लोगों से, but communicating to the superior, your immediate boss, the territory manager, or maybe the MDs, right, regional managers, they would be more comfortable talking to you in English. The reason is simple, because they have to communicate with the entire world in English only, right? Mix कर सकते हैं आप, हिंदी जैसा मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, you can mix a few languages, but if you are good in English, that creates a different impression, right? And for this, you need not spend a single penny on any of the class, or anything on online also. Online भी payment करने की जरूरत नहीं. I'll be telling you, I'll be giving you few tips and tricks which is going to help you out in master this language in 6 months, right? I can guarantee that. And for this, you don't have to pay to anybody. All you have to do is just commit yourself that you are going to follow few instructions. Like whenever I'm there online, I'm going to try to communicate in English, even if I go wrong. Yes, Brunal, wait for some time. I'll continue. Brunal, mute yourself. Yes, I hope all of you following me what I'm trying to say to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good, excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
And anybody who is not following, मेरी इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आ रही है, या you feel that I'm going too fast, my pronunciation has not been followed, anything is there of that kind? No? Fine. So let us move ahead. Okay, fine, good. Let us move ahead. Who is next? Who is remaining?
Hi, sir.
Yes, Ashwini. Yes, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you.
Put on your video. Yes, good.
Myself Ashwini Thakre. I am from Gondia. I done my graduation in BBA from J. Patel College, Bhandara. I am pursuing the MBA because of it's my backup plan. Actually, I am preparing for MPSC.
Okay, good. There's not a backup plan. See, it won't go waste. See, any post-graduation, and that to MBA. MBA is a wonderful opportunity, right? Not everybody gets this opportunity. Many a time parents cannot afford you your education. Many a time financially you are not that sound. You are compelled to do a job. Plenty of reason can be there. Many a time you do not feel like studying also. But MPSC, this won't go ahead. Don't call it as a backup. If you say in interview, that won't look good. Fine. Here informal talk is allowed because this is within our classroom, right? But say that you are interested. See, first thing you have to quote is every time. See, this is a simple, you can call it trick, right? To impress other. कि आप बोलोगे excuse लोगे, parents ने बोला है मुझे कि you have to pursue, घर बैठ के क्या करोगे? That's why I'm doing MBA, right? This may be a real reason, but you have to say, you have to you have to say it to yourself also that I am interested in doing, right? The reason is I am interested, तो ही आपको फायदा होगा. आप बोलोगे नहीं चलो यार 2 साल टाइम पास करना है, एक डिग्री आ जाती है. Let us see, particularly don't get me wrong, particularly girl student. बहुत बार पेरेंट्स कंपेल करते हैं घर बैठ के शादी होने तक तो पढ़ लो, right? You are getting a chance. So that is one of the reason which I have understood over a period of this my teaching career. कि बहुत बार गर्ल स्टूडेंट का क्या होता है कि फाइन दे आर नॉट दैट मच इंटरेस्टेड ओनली बिकॉज पेरेंट आर सेइंग एंड दे आर वेटिंग टू गेट मैरिड. सेम थिंग में अप्लाई टू बॉयज ऑल्सो. Nothing wrong in that. I would say nothing great in that. That may apply to boys also. कि घर पे अच्छा business है, चलो ठीक है. If you get a degree, you'll get probably a nice bride, right? And talking about girls, you'll get a nice groom. Okay. So is the thing clear? This was more on lighter note. Don't take it very seriously. All you have to communicate to yourself is that because I am interested in pursuing this course, and that is since that goes in back of your mind, it is really going to help you out. So it's more of a psychological in nature. Okay, am I clear? Who is next? Who is next? Yes, Abhijit. Yeah, fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Shamak, you wait. Let Abhijit go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Abhijit. Put on your video.
Sir, I am done from my BBA. Sir, I done my graduation from BBA from Nagpur, Santaji Mahavidyalaya.
Okay.
Hello.
What? Yes, go ahead. You are audible. What else?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, what else?
Sir, my name is Sir Samyak Nagdive.
Right. Okay. Go ahead. Samak.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Abhijit, yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
I am Abhijit, sir. And I have completed my graduation in BSc Agriculture. And I am from proper Hindengarh.
Okay.
I have taken admission for MBA because I want to do the internships in the agri-related companies. After that, I want to start my own business related to agriculture, based on agriculture only.
Okay, good. See, we have few example like you earlier. Whenever you come offline, I'll be giving you the contacts of our pass out student, those who belong to similar background like yours, and they are doing excellent in their career now. I'm talking about 15 years back, because my career, the tenure is almost now, this is 23rd year in running, and almost 20 odd batches have passed out under my teaching actually, I would say, from this institute, right? So there are many students who are doing good. We have few students from Chandrapur as well. So kabhi aap, whenever you come offline, you just come and meet me, Abhijit. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Who is next?
Good morning, sir. I'm Pranoti Vida.
Harshada, you wait. Yes. Yes, Pranoti.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Pranoti Vida. I am graduated in BE from RTM University. I am basically from Chandrapur. Reason I pursuing MBA, assuming that their career issue would be like to solve. May not be know why MBA is the next step in that career.
Pranoti, can you put on your video, please? For a second time. Yeah. Okay. Good. Fine. Yes, Pranoti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Who is remaining now? Ravi?
Good morning, sir. My name is Harshada Gajanan Dhade. I completed my graduation BA from Ashok College, Chandur Railway.
Okay.
I belong to Talegaon Dasha, sir, district Amravati.
Okay, good. Fine. Yeah. Who is next? Nidhi? Nidhi, you want to talk?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Nidhi, put on your video.
I am from Jalgaon, Jammu. My name is Nidhi Barnatwale, Akola, and also completed my CS Foundation from Akola. Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. और कोई बचा है? Anybody is remaining for the introduction?
Hello sir,
Yes, Ravi, you.
Hello sir, I am Nayan Devudkar from.
Okay, Nayan, fine. You go ahead. Nayan, you can talk. Nayan, yeah, okay.
Hello sir, I am Nayan Devudkar from Chandrapur. I am done BBA in IMSR College Chandrapur.
Okay, fine. And what is the reason to join MBA?
For a job sir.
Okay, fine, good.
Collect more knowledge about the management.
Okay, fine. Yes, who is remaining now? Quickly.
Morning, sir.
Yes. Tushar, yes.
Morning, sir.
Yes, Tushar, go ahead.
I belong to Karanja. I am graduate completely in electrical engineering, VMIT College of Engineering. I am pursuing in MBA because of marketing interest.
Okay, fine. You want to do marketing. You want to be a marketing guy. Okay, fine, good. Fine. Specialization all will be talking when we move ahead with our other lectures, right? You still have time to choose your specialization, but still in back of mind you can always think कि मुझे इसमें काम करना है. So that accordingly you keep on taking those decisions and you orient your brain in that direction. That is important. कि this is the area which I like, right? Maybe you have not worked in that area, but still you can जैसे बचपन में रहता है अपना सपना कि I'd like to become a pilot, for example. I'd like to become a doctor, right? Maybe an engineer, maybe an architect, whatever the dream we have, that has to be there. It's not at all necessary that we will be able to achieve it, but if you keep on thinking about it, you will definitely achieve it. हर बार हर कोई कर पाता है जरूरी नहीं है, but if you are stubborn, if you are determined, then 100% you can achieve it. Okay, fine. Who is next?
Hello sir.
Yeah.
Good morning. My name is Nikita Solkusre.
Okay.
I am from Nagpur.
Okay.
I have completed my graduation in BCom at Sindhu Mahavidyalaya, Pachpali, Nagpur.
Okay.
Reason from MBA, job and communication and my own business.
Nikita, put on your video for 2 minutes then, so that we all can see you. The reason is whenever you come offline, we should. Yes, good, excellent, fine. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And see, don't be shy to put on your video. Don't worry. आप even जैसे मैंने कल बोला था, even if you are not made up, you are not, at least a decent dress has to be there, right? But don't hesitate to put on your video. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जैसे भी दिख रहे हो आप, you are all are looking good. Okay, fine. Who is next?
Good morning, sir. I am Vishali Guru from Army.
Okay.
I done my graduation in BSc Computer Science from Amravati Digital Game Science College. I pursuing MBA because help in developing the managerial skills or communication skills. Thank you, sir.
Good. Who's next?
Good morning, sir. My name is Vijay Shishrav Kamali. I am from Gungam. I have completed my graduation BCom Santaji Mahavidyalaya and MBA करने का reason job है, sir.
Okay. Most of you have that objective, right? Most of you. I would say almost everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, Chirag. Good morning. Go ahead.
Myself, Chirag Nande, sir. I am from Gogia. I have completed my graduation in BSc Agriculture, Gadchiroli. I have joined MBA because interest in marketing, finance, and job.
Okay, fine. Good, Chirag. See, in fact, you have to keep in mind 2 specializations. That is what I was talking just now. Because we are fortunate in Nagpur University, we get 2 specializations, dual degree. Not dual degree exactly, dual specialization, right? तो आपको अभी से थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना है कि this is what I can take because I would like to work. See, finance is again a backbone. Finance is the bloodline of any organization. Without finance, the company is going to die. We all know it. For that matter, all organizations, even though if it's NGO, government organization, finance is the lifeline, right? Finance is the soul, you can say, right? So all you have to keep in mind is which 2 specialization I am going to pick up. You are not supposed to finalize right now. You have plenty of time. You have at least a years with you to decide on what exactly will suit you. But still एक आपने ध्यान में रखा कि these are the two specialization which I am interested in. Probably your decision will be simple, right? When it comes to finalizing your specialization. Okay, fine. Let us move ahead. Who is next?
Hi sir, I am Ravi Asarelli.
Ravi. Shweta, you wait. Ravi, let Ravi talk. Yes, Ravi.
Hi sir, I am Ravi Teja Asarelli. I have done my graduation in BA. I am from Gadchiroli.
Okay, good. Fine.
And I am pursuing MBA to develop value-based leadership qualities and to foster critical and analytical thinking.
Okay, fine, good. Yes, Shweta. Who was next? Yes.
My name is Shweta Gare.
Okay, fine, Shweta, thank you. चलिए, let's yes, Mahir.
Mayuri Rangari. I done graduation from KIMSR in stream BCCM. I have pursuing MBA in job.
Okay, fine, thank you. Who's remaining?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Pragati, let Pragati talk. She started first. Yes, Pragati.
Good morning, sir. My name is Pragati Manoj Sakare. I am from Sindhu Mahavidyalaya, Paswagi, Nagpur, and in BSc.
Okay, what is the reason for pursuing MBA? What is the reason for taking this particular program? Yes.
For job and developing talking skill.
Okay, fine, good. Who is next?
Hello, sir.
Dhanasri.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes, Dhanasri.
I have done BSc in the stream of PCM, and I am also preparing for state PSC, and I am basically from Umrek.
Okay, good, fine.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Shreya Khalil from Amravati. I have completed my graduation in BCom from Amravati.
Okay, fine. BCom, which college?
Good morning, sir.
BSP College.
Okay, fine. Prerna?
Good morning, sir. My name is Prerna Wankhede. I am completed my graduation in BA stream from Dr. Ambedkar College.
Okay, and reason for doing MBA? Any particular reason?
For job purpose and develop my communication skills.
Okay, good. Fine.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Prachi, yeah.
I am Ruchi Gaikwad from Katol. I have completed graduated BBA from Nabira Mahavidyalaya Katol. I am doing MBA for job.
Okay, Prachi, put on your video for a second time at least. Okay, fine. Who is next?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Prajakta, let Prajakta talk. Sheetal, you wait. Yeah, Prajakta.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Prajakta Gautam Shankar. I am from Hingna. I have completed my graduation for BCA in Ramaji Pandav College from Nagpur. I have pursuing MBA for best job.
Okay, good, fine. Who is next?
Good morning, sir. My name is Shri Yogesh Wankhede. I am from Nagpur. I have done my graduation from Dr. Ambedkar College in BA. I am pursuing MBA for job purpose and boosting of my confidence level.
Okay, fine. Yep, Tanushri, put on your video. Put on your video. Okay, fine. Good. Fair enough. Yes. Who is next?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Yupa Atulkar.
I have pursued my engineering from Bhopal in EC, Electronics and Communication.
Okay.
My short-term goals are to enhance my knowledge, to embrace my some qualities. For the reason I'm doing MBA, and my long-term goals are, firstly I want to do a job, and after that I'll be doing my startup.
Okay, okay. Do you have any connection with Nagpur? And why did you went to Bhopal? Which is your native place?
For my native place is Nagpur.
Okay.
I had cleared AI triple through that. I got a college in Bhopal.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Rupa. Who is next?
Myself, Sister Mother, I am completing graduation.
Shidul, put on your video, please. Shidul. Please put on your video. Yes, go ahead. Yes. Mahesh, go ahead. Mahesh, I think you have a talk. और कोई बचा है? Anybody is remaining?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Harshita, yeah, okay.
My name is Harshita Ansari. I completed my graduation in BSc from Katol. I'm pursuing MBA because I wanted to learn about business management.
Okay, fine. A simple reason. Right, good. Okay, fair enough. Who is next? Good morning. Yes. Speak. Yeah. Yes, Payal. Yes.
I am pursuing MBA for confidence and startup.
Okay, startup. You would like to work on new ideas, right? Entrepreneurship. Okay, fine. Who's next? कोई बचा है अभी? See, I'll be taking this as your attendance also. You don't have to say present, sir. That is a old style. Even if you interact for a moment, that will be counted as your attendance in all the coming session, for that matter. Not only in this session. This was an exercise. This was the assignment given to you that you have to introduce yourself. But somewhere down the line, you have to interact. I am going to take that as your attendance, whereas I am going to circulate a attendance form also. Just now I will be doing that, right? उसको भी आपको भरना है. बट इसके अलावा एक सेकेंड के लिए तो भी आपको यू हैव टू अनम्यूट एंड यू हैव टू टॉक एटलीस्ट फॉर अ मोमेंट, राइट? नॉट लिटरली 1 second, बट एटलीस्ट फॉर अ मोमेंट एवरी सेशन यू हैव टू टॉक, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डेवलप योर कम्युनिकेशन. देयर इज नो अदर वे आउट, देयर इज नो अदर शॉर्टकट. लेट मी टेल यू दैट ऑल्सो. Few other important things I'll be telling you how to go about it, how to develop that communication. All verbal as well as written. Listening again. Listening is again part of communication. If you are a good listener, probably you are a good communicator, right? It is a simple formula, right? If you keep on listening to good words, to good news channel, English news channel, particularly BBC, NDTV, Profit and all those, I'll be coming to that in our further lectures. But listening at the same time, after once you have listened, I want interaction from your end every time in all the session. कोई आपको घंटे बात नहीं करनी है, not even for few minutes also, a moment I am saying, a few seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you can ask your doubts and questions, you can raise few problems, right? कहीं कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो you can always stop me in between. See, I won't mind. Even while I am talking, and if you say like, fine sir, this is what I have not followed right now, I won't mind for that also. But ideally, you can note it down and you can raise all those points at the end of the session. This is what we are going to follow. But कहीं पे आपको लग रहा है कि nothing, you are not following anything, and you are missed out the bus, right? The entire thing is going, जो बोलते हैं ना, सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है. So at that very point, you can always stop me. I won't be minding all that thing, right? In fact, that will be most welcome. But ideally, I want all of you to note your queries and doubts on a piece of paper or maybe back of your mind and raise those queries and questions at the very end of the session. Every session 5 minutes I'll be giving you to clear your doubts and queries related to this particular subject and any other thing related to MBA. जरूरी नहीं कि subject जैसे MIS पढ़ा रहा हो तो MIS के doubts लेके आइए. You may have confusion regarding your specialization कि अभी से सोचना चाहिए कि नहीं सोचना चाहिए. जो मैंने अभी आपको बता दिया था. I have given answer to this. You can think, you can ask question related to exams, right? So that I can divert you to the concerned person. You can anything which is related to academics, you can always ask. Am I clear? Crystal clear? Am I audible? Clear and loud? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sure,
Yes,
fair enough.
sir.
Fine. So, anybody who's left? So quickly, because we are left with. But I just want to touch the. Yes, Kunal. Who is that? Pragati. Yeah. Anybody who's left out of the introduction?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes,
my name is Trupti Sare. I've done my graduation in BCom from distance. Because of my education is not good. Simultaneously, I did the course of makeup artist during the first year of school. I'm pursuing MBA because I want to complete my education. So.
Okay, Tripti, put on your video for a moment, please. Okay, good. Nice, Tripti. Fine, thank you so much. Chalo, or who is left? Quickly. Anybody who is left?
Good morning.
Hello sir, good morning everyone. I am Pratiksha Gaikwad from Wardha. I have done my BCom from GS Commerce College Wardha.
Okay, good. Reason for doing MBA?
Thank you sir. Doing job sir.
Okay, fine. Yes. Pragati, you want to say something? Thank you, Pratiksha.
Good morning sir.
Good morning, Pragati.
I am Pragati Bankur and I am from Pandara and I have completed my graduation in BSc from KT College.
Okay, fine. चलो और कोई है बचा है?
Good morning sir.
Okay,
go ahead. From Jain Patel College, Bandara. And I am pursuing this MBA course because I have to develop my skills and I have to gain many about information knowledge and for job.
Okay, fine. Yes, thank you. Who is next? I hope all of you done. Yes, Pratiksha. Yes, go ahead.
Good morning sir, I am Pratiksha Manvatkar. I have done graduation in DIMSR and pursuing the MBA because of job.
Okay, fine. चलो और कोई बचा है? Fine, I'll take it. जो भी left over होगा तो we'll last Tushali. Okay.
Good morning sir, good morning everyone. I am Tushali Bharke. I done my graduation in BE from DM ITR Wardha, and the reason behind to MBA is that I have always interested in project management and operations, and also quantity of job opportunities in MBA.
Okay, Tushali, put on your video for a moment.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Yes. Anybody? Quickly. Fine, I'll take for granted that all of you have done with the introduction part. Now see, what has come out of all this introduction is one common reason. Our common reason for joining MBA or the objective behind joining MBA is doing a job, right? And we'll be discussing on what exactly is needed to get a good job. We all know the answer is very simple. You need to have certain traits, certain characteristics, right? Certain essential skills in you. And what are those? We'll be discussing on this in our next lecture tomorrow. But before we move ahead, I'm going to share with you the attendance form, and which you are supposed to fill at the end of this lecture, not right now, right? Because it contains few MCQs and I think you won't be able to solve it directly. So I'm just going to touch this subject. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the chat box. All of you can see it, the link in the chat box. Don't touch this link right now.
Yes.
Okay, fine, good. Don't touch it right now. Don't touch it right now. Do it when I say do it. When I ask you to fill it, right? Right now I'll be sharing a screen just to start with this particular topic of MIS, right? Just let me know if my screen is visible to all of you. It's going to take a second. Is it visible?
No, sir.
It is not
Yes, sir.
visible?
Yes,
Okay, fine. See, I'm not going to go in detail today because we are out of time right now. But see, MIS, we all know. MIS stands for Management, Information and System. I'm going to put the link of this website also. In fact, there are plenty of websites like this available, but don't refer to each and every of them. You might get confused. So here, what is management? We all know it. Managing the resources effectively and efficiently. Resources can be anything. It can be human resource, it can be your finance, it can be your warehouses or your building itself, right? It can be your data. Like for Amazon, data is the biggest resource, right? The data of the subscriber they are having, the data of the customers they are having. Information, we all know, data is there. Data, if converted properly, turns into information. And system, we all know, system is always made of inputs and there is a processing and you have an output followed by feedback or control. This very small, short definition I have just talked to you. We are just starting it, but I will be taking it in detail tomorrow. I just wanted to start, that's all, right? So these are few of the objectives. Yeah, the bookish definition says that Management Information System or MIS is a planned system of collecting, storing and disseminating data in the form of information needed to carry out the function of management. Now, function of management you will be learning in principle of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, budgeting. All these are the functions. So we'll be going into the detail of all this tomorrow when we start afresh with this lecture. This is just a brief introduction, characteristics. So all you have to remember is MIS stands for Management Information System. Okay. So have you followed? I've done it very fast, but did you follow it? Deliberately I did it very fast. Anybody who has not followed what I talked just now? कोई है जिसे समझ में नहीं है? Okay, fine. See, in case if you are not following, you can raise your hand also. If you are reluctant to unmute yourself, ideally I want you to unmute and talk. Ideally I want that, right? In most of the conditions. So this link you can start filling right now. You have to do here and here itself before you log out, right? Few questions are there. Even if you go wrong, see, I'm going to take. Yes. Yes, Payal. See, I'm going to take you to the to the attendance sheet, which you are supposed to fill every time. This is how it will look, right? All you have to do is put your email, your full name, right?
So can you please explain it again?
Pardon me? Hello?
So can you?
Yes, what have you not followed? Payal? Hello?
Sir, can you please explain the term MIS again?
Okay, fine, just yeah, is it Payal? Don't worry. I know I have done it very hurriedly. I know it. We'll be taking it in detail tomorrow. That was just to let you know that what we are going to discuss upon, right?
Yes.
Okay. So don't worry. Even if you have not followed, don't worry. Okay. now this is what the attendance sheet look like. You have to fill. Yeah, these are very common questions. Even if you do not know, you can put on the wrong option also. I won't mind, right? और 5 ही ये सवाल है. 5 MCQs are there, and you have to rate today's session whether you have followed, not followed, or didn't like very much. You liked it or you didn't. It was average, right? And here you can put your. Is the screen visible to all of you? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
No sir, no sir, not visible.
Just a moment. Why is it so that few of you are able
Presentation
to?
show नहीं हो रहा है.
एक मिनट, अभी देखिए. Now is it visible? अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes sir, visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. So these are the 5 questions followed by your feedback. You can tick anywhere you would like. You feel like you have followed, not followed, or not liked, whatever is the reaction. Here you can put your queries. जो भी doubts है आप नहीं पूछ पाए because you didn't got a chance, right? Or maybe that query came to your mind later on. So you can put over here, and all you have to do is just submit it. That's all, right? So this will act as a attendance. Your attendance is recorded. Once you submit it, you will receive a written email of your response, right? Probably you come to know which question you have answered correctly, because each question carries 2 points, that is 2 marks, right? This is just for me to know what are you following. Okay, it's a very simple form. I don't see any reason that it will be difficult for you to fill, right? So you can start filling it right now, and I'll wait for 2 minutes time. And in case you have any doubts and queries while you fill the form, you can raise your doubts and queries. And Payal, the MIS, deliberately I have done it very fast. Don't worry about it. We are going to start in detail tomorrow, right? जो भी लोग का इंट्रोडक्शन बचा है, 5 minutes we are going to commit to it, and after that we are going to start with our actual session on MIS. Okay, am I clear and loud?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, excellent. Fine. चलो अभी attendance form भर लो. All of you start filling the form, and in meantime, if somebody has any doubt, any queries, just let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, I have circulated the PDF on our WhatsApp group. How many of you have not gone through it? It was a PDF on decision making related to MIS. All of you have gone through it? See, it is expected every time you should go through that PDF. Okay. Whatever people see, every lecture I will be posting one related PDF. Now this PDF will come handy for tomorrow's lecture. So you have still today to go through it, so that you follow most of the thing. Whatever I'm going, because see, MB is not all about just attending lectures. It is 50% is self-study also. You need to be self-motivated. खुद ही बहुत सारे चीज़ करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप सीख पाओगे. For your doubts and queries, we are always there, right? कुछ भी आपके doubts होते हैं, it can be anything related to academics. Okay. It can be anything related to your jobs, your placements. It can be anything related to your choosing the specialization. Okay. So for that we are always there. But self-study is very important, and which will come through what? When you go through all those things which I am going to discuss, right? Which I am going to put on the WhatsApp. Okay, all of you done with your attendance?
No, sir, I can't see the link.
You can't?
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay, fine. चलो मैं ग्रुप पे डाल देता हूँ उसको. Attendance link I'll put share it on the group also. You can fill it over there also. Okay. I'll try to share it on the group. Okay. You can just take a look at our WhatsApp group, MIS group. That link is there also. Okay. Fine. Thank you all of you, and we'll meet because your next session is going to start. So I have to wind up. Tomorrow we'll meet. Try to lock 5 minutes.